Hmm. Can you hear me? See, can I be? Oh, hello? I need to make sure my mic is working. Hello? Oh yeah. See, can I be? Oh, hello? Okay, yeah. Someone make. It says the current FPS is too high, but I think I'm just gonna ignore that. See, can I be? Oh, yo, what's up? Hello? I'm gonna switch the stream to my phone so I don't have to. So I can just read it from my phone. Hey, what's that noise? Oh shit. All right. I ain't gonna be doing anything fancy. Just streaming. I need to post this stream in the. Okay. Let's see. Mute this. Hey, don't worry about that thing going on in the background either. That I need to go get a charger for my phone. Be right back. So that's good. That's good. Change this here so I can see how it looks. Then we're going to go to. I don't think that's the video URL. I don't think that's it. Let's see. How can we go to the? We probably have to go to our actual. Oh no. There we go. Okay. Let's go to asset load. Sure. Yeah, I hate working in that I hate working in that. That's not supposed to be enabled. Let's see. I need to create a Trello for this. I have no idea where I'm at. Oh yeah, I was implementing grade. Let's do. Do -10 for this for a bad shot. Play with these values. We go into these objects, go into the court. We have to do it for scoring as well. So right here, so we're just going to do right here, copy this player stats. Instead of this, we're going to do just that. Damn, I just realized I fucked that up. Oh, okay. Great. Where else did we do it? Out of bounds too. Out of bounds is where we did it. Alright, here we fire client and then we do stats that grade. Yeah. Now, I didn't do the updating of the grade yet. But I'm probably gonna do it in the manager just because it may be something that's just so insignificant. It doesn't have to have its own script. Let's do grades. Cool. I'm going to do A plus equals 95. What is this? Oh yeah, forgot. But I can do this though. Can I do this? No, I can't. I can't. Okay. Yo. There we go. So we're gonna go to a B plus, so we're going to go 85. I wonder if I could do this differently. I think I can do this differently. If I just do A and then do B as 80 and do C as 70, do a D as 60, and do a F. Damn, I feel like a teacher. 50. So now with these grades, I can go into this. There we go. Come down here. Do we have the core GUI? We do. Right here. So we're gonna need the performance GUI. So we're going to do cool. All right, now we're gonna create a function called getGrade. And then we're just going to local grade equals player stats that grade that value. Now we need to go through all of these. For grade value in pairs. Grades if not greater than or equal to value, then continue. And now we're going to do this. Now we're going to we should round it. What does that round? Uh, 90, 94. So yeah, then we're going to do this. So we're going to math.round this and then multiply. So new, or we're going to check this actually. Check for round. If actually we're going to just do this. Return wait, can we, if I do, I think I learned this. If I just do percent, let's say 95 modulus 10, it's gonna return 5. If I do 4, cool. So we actually can just do this, return grade string. We're gonna call this grade string. Grade modulus 10 is greater than 5, and where we're going to do grade string, and we're going to concatenate this with grade modulus 10 is greater than or equal to 5, and we're going to add a plus to it, or we're going to subtract from it, or we're going to add like a little minus. There we go. That should give us our grade. This is Hoop Central 6. what we're going to do is we're going to first update our performance right here. So we're going to do performance dot grade. I think dot grade. Oh yeah. Dot text equals. We're going to set that equal to get grade. Then we're going to add a connection right here, which is going to be a dot changed. We're going to do grade, or no, we're going to do player stats dot grade changed connect, and then we're going to do the same thing here. This is going to be the update grade text. There we go. So now our grade should update whenever we do something crazy, or whenever we score something like that. You guys right now are not fully designed. They're kind of just placeholders right now, but eventually they'll get to being designed. That did not work. Only because I think, yeah, this is supposed to be grade string. I think your grade is supposed to start off at 75. Well, I'll fix that after. I feel like checking those. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay. Yo, what's up? I was just in there talking to my girlfriend, but now I'm back. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So F, and then let's see. We shoot a good shot. D plus. And of course, this breaks. Player stats. That grade. Player stats. That grade. Index nil. Attempt to index. Oh yeah. Fuck. That's not gonna work. Yeah, I'm trying to get this. The core system is really done. It's just getting bugs and things figured out within this core system, and then moving on to other stuff, so that we can go ahead and push this update out. Trying to work on, what is this? Super golf? Yeah. Okay. So we got an F, and then we're gonna D plus, C minus. Nice. We're gonna watch our grade. Stats. Why is that an A minus? Yeah. All right. Let's figure this out, huh? If grade is not greater than or equal to the value, then continue. Ah. So we gotta come here and do an OR statement right here. Grade is equal to 100, or like that. Then, okay, yeah, then we do this. Yeah, perfect. Yo, what's up? Real Plats, I got vision. Oh, W. W. Yeah, I decided this is what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start streaming my development and everything, so that way people can know what's going on with the games and everything. And then, you know, I'm not just completely just keeping everybody in the dark with this, because I know people are looking for a Hoop Central 6 update. So I decided to start streaming so that y'all can start seeing that the game is being worked on. It just takes time to figure all of these things out. I have some other projects that I would like to stream later on when I make this a normal thing. Yeah, but a 80 should have been a 80 should have been a B. Let's do grade. added some. Oh, I'm gonna add more green effects, but right now this is a green effect that I created just to test and play around. I'm definitely gonna be adding more green effects. Yeah, custom avatars is gonna come back. It is gonna be paid, but it's gonna be 25 Robux. And there's gonna be it's gonna be 25 Robux per slot. So it's not like you have to keep buying it over and over again, but you do have to pay 25 Robux to get your custom avatar on a slot. So whenever you create a slot, grade value. Hold on, give me a second. 90. Why the did it go down? What? Huh? Doesn't make any sense. Overalls aren't gonna be like you have to grind up your stats, but we do have let me show you my archives, because I try to keep everything as organized as possible, right? But we do have the damn, this is not organized. Let me do this real quick. Alright. Oh yeah, so like I was saying, but you do have to buy them per slot. So you'd have to like, whenever you're creating a character, you just pay 25 Robux, and then you can have like a little switch, you know, turn on custom avatar, or you could turn it off if you want to. But these are the new badges, or the new icons for the grand badges, and you'll be able to grind the grand badges. So they'll start off at bronze, and then the more you play, they'll get up to diamond or whatever. I'll try to create something too, where, you know, your level in the game, or your rep in the game will correlate to Discord. So trying to figure out, I just got into web development, and I'm taking a course on web development. It's like a 7-month course that I'm taking, starting next month on the 20th. So hopefully after that course, I will be able to basically link Roblox to Discord, in a sense, if that makes sense. And y'all will be able to basically use the bot that I create to link your account in Roblox and Hoop Central to Discord, and it'll keep track of your rank. So when you rank up, it'll send that information to Discord, and then the bot will automatically update your rank based off of what your rank is in the game. We haven't really dove too deep into the specifics about how we're going to do the grinding of the grand badges. We just know that we want to implement grinding grand badges, and there's a couple of other things that we want to implement, like I don't know what this is called, or what you would call this, but something like a stage where, or like a court where you can basically play for items. So we're gonna have accessories in the game, so we're gonna have hats and stuff like that, and you can play for items in your inventory. So you can get a partner, and then y'all could put things together. Like, let's say you got this hat and you got these glasses, and then the other dude has like his hat and glasses with his teammate. Y'all put those in, and whoever wins gets all the items. I've never played 2K, so I don't know what a 2K event is like, but I just thought, like, giving y'all more to grind for, and more to play for would engage the player more, you know, and give people more of a reason to play. There's a lot of things that has been cleaned up too. The game has been cleaned up heavily. So there are still, I think there's still minor bugs here and there, but it's nothing too crazy. The court system has been how do you say, remastered. So that is publish the package. That is great. And we're adding the rec center, as you can see right here. The private gym will actually be private this time, so yeah, if we can get cuz the thing with animations, I mean we have somebody we can get the animations from. We just have to set everything up to get into the position of getting those things together. Jesus Christ. Why does it do that? All right, yeah. So you'll have your private gym or whatever. You'll be able to play in here and do whatever you need to do in here. I'll make it to where like in RB world where you can actually run games in here and the game will keep score and everything like that. So that's something that I do want to. Oh shit. Okay, that's something that I do want to add. I can show you the menu too. I just have to go. I want to put some more effort into the menu, but right now it's just like how long am I gonna dev for? Okay, probably like another 30 minutes or so. My girlfriend wants me in the room, so I'm gonna try to stream for a little bit. This stream wasn't supposed to be anything too major. It's basically I was just showing y'all like the type of things that I'm gonna be doing. Stream a little bit, work on something a little bit. And then come Monday is when I'll start to stream real heavily on and really put effort into putting out streams while working on things. Cause there's other games that I'm working on too that I would like to show y'all. Let's see. We're going to. This is supposed to teleport players. Don't worry about this. Have I done computer science before? No, I haven't. But I am. After this. Oh wow! Why is it so loud? I am looking forward to doing a computer science class, trying to go for like a bachelor's or something after I do this full stack web development course. But you can see like you're gonna have your slots. Obviously you're gonna have extra slots. These slots are gonna be paid for. Rep animations. No, we have an animator to do that. We have an animator to do all of that. We just are trying to get the core of the game together. Cause after I add threes to this, we should be good. Like I think the next thing that I'm gonna start working on is a threes court. After the threes courts is done, then we should be perfectly fine when it comes to the park. And then we can start adding those small things in between, you know? But a thing is that we just want to make sure that everything is together and put together very well. I can show you the character customization too, or the character creation. I don't know why people keep acting like the rec center is supposed to be something that's not supposed to be leaked. I don't think it's anything crazy like that. Don't mind this animation. This was testing to see how we felt about animations and stuff. We're adding more beards and more hairs. That's why this doesn't work right now. So we're trying to figure out how to do all of that. Why is this so loud? What the fuck? Yeah, but we're gonna add way more hairs and way more beards and stuff. We're also gonna do this thing where we kind of split it up. So we're not gonna have genders, but we're gonna have a shop where you can basically go shop for female attire and more female driven hairstyles. and one for males too, so that nobody is excluded, you know. Because I feel like that's, you know, some girls that play the game might want to buy, like, I don't know, female clothes or something, I don't know. But then, you know, you got the why is he shit? Yo. Yeah, and you got the positions. Some things need to be fixed though, like the sharpshooting, or the stretch. The stretch is kind of broken. I did fix ankle breakers, so facilitator will probably be OP initially until we can find some way to balance it. But yeah, this is usually the build I like to go with. And that's pretty much it. That's the character creation. If I go into places, go into Rec Center. Let's close that. A release date? I'm trying to go for, which is probably going to be impossible at this point, but I'm trying to go for the 15th or 16th, like sometime this week, to release the game, to release this new version. It's probably not going to be like that. It's probably going to be pushed back a little bit, but still. No, this is Rec Center. So this is a Rec Center that we're going to have where people can play on the Rec Center or whatever, and then you'll be able to play 4s and 5s. No, not this week. Not this week. May of next week. Yeah, it's the 15th of May, like the 15th to the 20th. Yeah, this is Rec Center. This was built by Six World. Very, very good build. It's a very good build. I do have to add some low quality settings though, because it's very strong. Stage he hasn't made yet. Stage is something we wanted to put into everything after we have you know, put everything together. Like I said, a lot of this has been you know, me recoding the mechanics, and me fixing up a lot of things in the game, me making things smoother, fixing data saving and stuff like that, and making everything, you know, overall better. So those type of things take a little time. So we've been only focused on just getting everything in there. As far as the mechanics, making the shooting work, the dribbling work, character loading and everything like that, making everything work efficiently. And then once we get through with all of that, then we start to add the small things in between. So you have the I don't know what the shop is. Oh, the clothing shop. This will be the shoe shop, and then this will be the female. This will be the shop for the female attire. You can tell by the pink in the background. For anybody who wants to play this, I mean, at least for the women. And then you got the haircuts over here for the men, I guess. This is an empty store. It's like an empty build. This build is fucking amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you. Shouldn't be cussing like that, but yeah, this is the plaza. So then this is another building or everything, but yeah, so that's the park, but this is not the park area. This is the salon, which will be the hairstyles for the women specifically. And I'm not trying to create no you know, I'm not trying to present no hate or anything like that, but I just wanted to include more. Oh, this is okay. So what I'm doing also is I'm adding green effects. I'm adding more effects that you could buy and purchase and everything. I did add coins, so I'm gonna add things that you could buy, green effects and everything. So this is gonna be things where you could buy maybe ball skins or green effects and everything like that. You know, more things that you can buy. Probably celebrations too. So celebrations when you shoot, animations when you rep up, something like that. This is where you go to. This is where you go to the private courts or whatever. The courts are fully fixed. The courts are using actually a court system that I created. The original park system was not created by me, but this new court system was created by me. So I worked on it for years before this. Also, yes, park intros as well. Yeah, park intros as well. Park intros will be coming to the newest update as well. We have to do the park intros. This will be the park. Right now, I removed all of the courts, but if I go into the replicated storage and I add these back, you can see that the park will have a layout like this, where you'll have the 1v1s in the middle, 3v3s on the side, and then 2v2s all around, just like this. And this court right now does work. It's the same court that I was working on earlier. I just didn't want to work on it in this place because it used to take me a little bit longer to load in. So why the fuck did I spawn over here? This is blocked off, isn't it? No, it's not. But yeah, as you can see, I can still jump on this court and I can still play on it and everything. It's not like I can't play on it. But yeah, it's our current park that we're gonna go with. Trying to figure out what we're gonna go with for the stands. For the hoops. Why is the frame rate so shit? Oh, probably because I'm streaming, huh? Maybe. What is this? What is this unlocked at? Oh, my fucking shit crashed. What? Oh, that's why my FPS was looking like that. What the fuck? Yeah, we can add a night and day and everything like that. A night and day shouldn't be hard. But I did fix all the ankle breakers and everything like that, which I'm very proud of. It didn't take a lot, but you remember how in season 1 where you had like these certain ankle breakers that would break your ankles, but it like they didn't have to reach, you know, like it called it like directional ankle breakers or displacement ankle breakers, where it's like if you were going this way, right, and I crossed over like this, but the defender was still going that way, it would break them. So we implemented that back into it. So yeah, I think oh, performance is not a valid member of yeah, I need to update that. But I think for initially the what the fuck is that badge? What is that badge? Ankle. You gotta help me. Facilitator, I think it is. I think it's supposed to be facilitator. But the playmakers and facilitators are probably gonna be a little bit OP when we first release it and we get into to testing and everything like that. But so I believe this core system uses the same package that we used in asset load. So lockdown builds does matter. I think lockdowns are going to be kind of overpowered too. Lockdowns are probably going to be overpowered as well. Cause I did contest kind of differently. Like I did contest a little bit differently. So I think everybody will be able to put contest on somebody, but I think defenders specifically is going to be very hard to shoot on them if you don't like drive by them. Pie charts? I mean, I can look into adding pie charts after the game drops, but it's not something that I thought about. Let's see. Let's take this UI. Let's put this here. Let's see. Performance. Oh yeah, someone who specializes in making like VFX so that we can add more. Yeah, I want to. Right now we're going with just simple, different types of simple trails, only to set up the system, right? So the whole point of this is to set up the system, so that so once the system is in place for the green effects and everything, then we start to implement more complex green effects. Oh, you talking about test? Well, we're gonna have to have testers. We're gonna have to have testers for this game, because how we did it this time, right? Is if I go back to the experience, you can see that this is Hoop Central, and this place that I'm working on is actually a separate place. This is the test server. So we're only going to allow. Oh, okay, well, I just fucking turned over. We're only going to allow developers and testers to join the test server, so that we can be able to test the game and everything. And it's actually better than the initial way that we had it set up, which is trying to update the game or trying to test updates without affecting the main game, right? Because sometimes you want to apply updates publicly to see how they are in the actual game, but it's hard to do that when you only have one place. So we created the test place. That way we can create all of our updates and tests inside of that place without affecting the main game. And then once we create this game and we're fully satisfied with it, we migrate everything over to the main place. Will testers be handpicked? I don't know. I didn't think about that. I don't know if I want to do it bot. I think. Yeah, I think I'll do the test server paid. That's what I'll do. That way, I'm not restricting people. I'm not restricting people from testing. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not restricting people from testing, so I'm not gonna, like, let's say somebody else wants to test, they can test if they want to, just from paying for the test server. You know what I mean? Yeah. And what also I wanna basically make it inclusive. So I wanna make sure that everybody who obviously can buy it has the opportunity to test, not just specific people. The bugs on the court have been fixed for the most part. There's other things obviously that we have to find, but for the most part, everything has been tweaked and fixed to better. Anyways, so no more of that, like, you know how when you shoot but somebody steal it at the same time, but you still shoot the ball and you score for them. There's no more of that. We're gonna add highlights for team players, so you'll see your your teammate be highlighted and everything like that. It's a lot of stuff that we fixed. It's a lot of stuff that we fixed with the game. No. Getting stuck in people is not gonna happen. That that doesn't happen in the newest update. You won't have that that problem where like you shoot somebody or something like that. That doesn't happen. I kind of created a whole different system for shooting. So it should be fixed. Cause keep in mind, everything that was created before, right, in the last Hoop Central 6 Season 3 update before I was hired, is not coded by me. So the current Hoop Central 6 that y'all play right now is not coded by me. This will be everything that I put together. Oh yeah. The loading menu that you've seen in the character customization is something that I want to do across all places. So when you're going into the plaza, it'll have that little loading UI, and stuff like that. Content creators make trailers for the game. Like, what do you mean? Like edits? Or I don't mind if content creators make trailers for the game. I want to do more. I want to do more things for content creators. But I have to see how that would work. I have to see how that works because I think I can use the YouTube API to tell when people are going live. Um, when somebody is going live, and then I'm sure that I can basically, I'm pretty sure I can advertise those things to the servers. So if somebody is going live in Hoop Central 6, I think I can make it to where I can pull from the YouTube data, the YouTube data stores, and get that information and then send it to Roblox, so that Roblox will not send it to Roblox. I'll have to store it somewhere else, but Roblox will be able to, or I'll be able to tell people that, hey, this streamer is streaming. Yes, custom avatars will be back. Also, moderators will be a thing too. So admins will be a thing, so that we can moderate. Even though Roblox is adding the anti-cheat. It's been implemented all over Roblox so far, and it's been It's been like deleting accounts for people who exploit. So that's been a big patch in exploiters. But we still want to add moderators just in case, you know what I'm saying, people start selling or something like that. So that's something that I do want to do. Custom avatars. Oh yeah, custom avatars will be back. Like I said, you'll pay 25 Robux per slot. So whenever you create a slot, you'll have the opportunity to just pay for the custom avatar. But you'll still be able to buy clothes and stuff. You'll still be able to buy clothes and stuff to put into your inventory, just in case you don't want your custom avatar. Yes, custom avatars as in your personal Roblox avatar. So it will load your clothing on your character and stuff, and your hats and everything like that on your character. You'll just be the size of the build that you are. I want to add, and this will probably be later on in the year, actually, like when I do like different types of updates, just playing around. But eventually, I want to add squads and stuff like that, and maybe clans, so that you can compete in clan games and stuff like that. So you could do 5v5 versus a clan or whatever, and then I can have the leaderboard for different clans, and just do the shit like that, you know. I'm trying to think, because I wanted to say something else. But I think for the majority, we're gonna try to get more shoes too. We just have to find somebody that specializes in making those things. The things for the shoes. Well, yeah. So that's what I actually planned on doing. So, what I plan on doing, right, is basically implementing mascots of our own. So you'll have a mascot per rep, you know, so that way you can equip the mascots as well in your character, depending on if you're a legend or anything like that. Did post scores get patched? You'll have to see. I think defenders can contest the shit out of post scores. But you'll have to see. I haven't really tested post scores. Personally, me, I'm not a type of person to play post score, so I don't know. Adding a 5v5, like a play now game mode, it would be fire. Custom avatars. I think I wouldn't go out my way to create like different types of builds. I would just have like team 1 and team 2, right? And with jerseys and everything, and then you could just when you load in on a team, and you can just pick a build, and you load in with your custom avatar. So it's nothing too complicated, and it's just a 5v5 game mode. Let's see. Oh yeah, hold on, give me a second. Would stats be across all builds? What do you mean? Like, okay, so I'll show you the data store actually. Don't mind my mouse about to die. Let me keybind this so I can do that. All right. Well, you know, small people like the little people won't be able to post score because you can see right here I'm trying to do it, and yeah, it's just not happening. It's not gonna happen. Oh, the data store, right? So when he says stats, he means like stats in general, like how many points you average per game and shit like that. Let's go into the module services, data store service. All right. I actually didn't want to do that. I didn't make any changes. Anyways, so as you can see, right, and I'm gonna try to teach you how to read this a little bit. But so slot data right here is kind of data that's completely separated from the player data. So this player data will be across all builds, right? So it doesn't matter if you create a new slot, your wins and losses will still be the same, you know? So if you have, like, let's say you're 5-1 on slot 1 and you go to slot 2, you'll still be 5-1. That doesn't change anything. Your XP, your level will all stay the same. So if you're a legend on this build and you switch to another build, you'll still be a legend. That doesn't change. Your coins also goes into the next build. Your settings will save. So your settings will go into the next build. All of these will go into the next build. We will have codes that you can redeem. Game passes. Game passes and everything. I forgot why I wanted to do that. And then we will have an option for mobile players. I don't know if this is specific to any of y'all, but 5v5 plan. Hold on, I'll answer that in a second. But mobile players will have the ability to create a layout for their buttons. So they'll be able to manipulate their buttons and place them how they want to around the screen. As far as 5v5, yeah, so I just spoke about that earlier. I do want to add a 5v5 like play now game mode. You don't really play for anything. It's kind of like just for fun, just to play other people and test builds and everything like that. So I will add something like that. Once I release the update, that's something that I'll start working on. It's not really a priority right now. More ads, but more hairs will be added though. Oh, you mean like how many shots you miss and how many shots you made? Yeah, all of those things. Are you increasing the size of the server too? Too many NPCs be standing around. I would have to test to see how that works, you know, because too many people in the game, depending on how the courts and stuff run. Too many people in the game could lag the server, so that wouldn't be healthy for the server. So we'd have to just play and test with that. I do want to increase the server size though, because what's the current server size of Hoop Central 6? Let's go into access 30 maximum. Oh yeah, so I want to increase this to like maybe 45, maybe 50. Right now you can't do that with the current Hoop Central 6 because it's shit too laggy. So you add more people and it's just gonna be laggier. The Nike Tech. I want to add something where you can actually just implement your own clothing. So let's say you create a jersey for a clan, right? and this will be specifically for clans, right? So when we implement clans, you can create these clans, right? And once you join a clan, once you create the clan, you have the ability to establish a clan jersey, which is just a pants template. So once you upload the pants template, if it's like approved by Roblox, then when somebody joins your clan, instead of wearing the clothing in their inventory, they can choose to wear the jersey for the clan. Oh yeah, some of the clothes that we have in the game did get taken down, probably due to copyright issues like the Nikes and stuff like that. Some of them, so we do need to add way more clothing. We did start uploading. I think we started to upload some more stuff in asset load, or at least that's what the asset load is for. Let's see. What is this? I don't think that's the right thing. Where's the... I probably deleted them. I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But we did start to work on some more clothes. So that's something that we're looking into, making more clothes so that people could buy. I also want to show y'all a game that I was working on. Clothes. This is unrelated to Hoop Central 6, but I just want to show y'all, because when I do these dev streams, they're not only going to be Hoop Central 6. So I just want to include that into my thing. So this is the game that I'll be working on. Are you allowed to say when the next season comes out? So I said this before, but I'm trying to release it around the 15th or 16th of May. If I can't, I'll push it back to the latest at the end of May. But I'm trying to get this pushed out just because I think Hoop Central 6 could go to a way better place once we get all of that stuff settled and situated with the new systems that we have in place and the bugs that we fixed. I think that we can definitely bring Hoop Central to a completely different level, potentially past Hoop's life. You know, I don't know. Maybe that'll be a thing. You know, I just think it'll be possible to achieve those things. But this is a game that I've been working on. It's like a farming simulator, but it's like a top-down farming simulator. So you'll have these builders that can go get stuff and everything like that, and you know, they'll be able to build and everything like that. Let's see. It's a nice little grid system. Nice little grid system for them to basically go build the next thing and everything like that. Yeah, I'm gonna stream everything that I work on. I have a website portfolio that I made that I'll also stream sometime. So I'll stream my web development as well. I mean, that'll probably get less views, but I still want to stream all of my development. So from my web development to my game development to any other development, because I did create a dunking. Oh yeah, don't worry about him. Yeah, he bugged out. I'm fixing that, but yeah, this is a farming simulator game, but it's different. It's different than any other farming simulator game, just because there's no character. It's just top down. And eventually, I want to make this into a Clash of Clans type game. So that's why I started working on that, to get the feel of that game, and then eventually start working on something like a Clash of Clans type game. About making it easy to tell if tall people are short, or how short someone is in park. It's not important, but it would be cool if it was more visible. I will say I'm going to add a custom leaderboard on the side so that you'll be able to click somebody on the leaderboard and it'll show everything about their build. So you'll see how tall the build is, and you'll see their rep and everything. You'll see their stats as far as their field goal percentage and everything. You'll see their badge rep, and I'm not gonna have it to where people can hide it either, just because I feel like that's just extra. Add new dunks. Adding new dunks is something that I want to do, but we have to wait until everything else get implemented. Do we get the option to kick people off spots once we hit elite? was that always a thing? I don't remember that being a thing. This is not where I wanted to go. I'll just add squad spots. How about that? I'll just add squad spots. But yeah, so I think that's all that I'm gonna address today. Yo, appreciate it. This is all that I'm gonna address right now in this stream. Tomorrow I will be streaming longer, towards later on in the day. So so that is something that I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna be creating a Trello so that I can keep track of things that I need to do keep track of things that I need to do in the game. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Also, I want to say about this full stack web development program that I'm joining. It's full stack just means that you're just you do development. You'll do development for the front end and back end of websites. And this is a course that I am taking. This is a course that I'm taking, and it's a 7-month course. So I'll stream some projects that I'll make with this. So that y'all can see me go through this as well, because I know some people might come through here and they just might like to see people program. Also, should I make a Twitch? Do you think that's a good idea to make a Twitch? I don't know. I've never really tried to figure Twitch out, but I figured I was gonna use Twitch because you know where my current channel is. It's all right. Hey, what is this? This shit's disgusting. It's all right. But I would like to start on another platform,
which is one of the big things that I wanted.
Hey, what is this? That's not what I wanted to do. But I probably have to learn this platform in order to do this. So that I can start streaming development on here as well. Oh yeah, I need to. But if we're being realistic, the park in the core system is almost done. Only because, and I'll show you. The park courts work off of one script. So this is the entire park court. And in order to make a new park court, I just duplicate a pre-existing park court, and this little setup that I created will create virtually a new park court. So so once I get the full courts down, once I get the full court system down, like implement the 3s, then the 4s and 5s and the 2s will be easier to implement, and we can move on to things like the plaza and more interesting things like that. We won't have different jump shot animations initially, but eventually that's what I want to get to, is a custom jump shot thing where you can basically try to put together your own jump shot. Rec won't be harder to shoot in. I don't think that makes sense. I'm not gonna make Rec harder to shoot in. It'll probably be harder to shoot in because you'll be playing more people maybe, but it won't be harder to shoot in general. But yeah, I think we have this skateboard. I want to add more vehicles though. I do want to add more vehicles. That's something that I want to do. And I want to fix up a player card, so I'm probably going to be in Photoshop trying to figure out how to make player cards or something like that. Yeah, I have somebody that I can go talk to about the vehicles thing, so I'm definitely gonna figure out how we can implement the vehicles. But I'm just gonna end the video or the stream right here, just cause I don't want to stream too long right now, cause my girl is waiting for me. So Monday, cause she'll be working, so Monday I'll be able to stream longer, and we'll be able to get more things done. So, I will see y'all Monday. I don't know what time, so I'll just post it in the Hoop Central Discord when I go live. Alrighty.